So today I want to film a summer heat tutorial, which is basically just going to be inspired by the Naked Summer Heat palette, technically it's just the Naked Heat palette, but I think it came out in the summer so I could give it a summer. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with the Professional Primer by Benefit. So I'm just going to take that and put it on my face. Then I'm just going to use my fingers to blend it. If you hear a lot of banging around in the background, that is all of my cats. I have 2 cats and then I'm fostering 5. They're a mama and 2 kittens and they're quite loud. After that, I'm going to go ahead and put on my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. And I'm going to use a beauty blender. So I'm just going to dot this around my face and then blend it. You always want to blend it down your neck a little bit, just so that it matches everything. So once I've got it blended, I'm going to use my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And I'm just going to put that under my eyes and on any spots. Then I'm just going to use the beauty blender to blend that. Once I've done that, we're going to go on to the eyes. So I'm going to start off with the Moda M19 brush, and I think I'm going to use Dirty Talk on my lid. So I'm just going to take that and put it on my lids. This is super pigmented, so you really don't need a whole lot of it. So after that, I'm going to take an Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm going to take the color Enfuago, and I'm just going to use that to blend out. Once I've got it blended how I want, I'm going to take my smudger brush and I'm just going to take a little bit of Ashes and go under my eyes with that. I'm only going to go about halfway under. Then I'm going to take a slanted Luxie brush and I'm just going to take Ounce and I'm going to use that on my brow bones and my inner corners. Once that's done, I'm going to take my IT by Pores pressed powder and put that all over my face. Okay, so after the pressed powder, we're going to go on to bronzer. And I'm going to be using my Hoola by Benefit. I know this looks a little dark initially. I am going to blend this, I promise. I just want to get it on there first. Now I'm going to work on blending. I'm actually just going to go in with my fingers and blend it a little bit better with my fingers. Just so I don't have any harsh lines and it blends into my skin. So once that's done, I'm going to take the Beauty Crop Lighting Crew highlighter and I'm going to use that on my face. Try not to get too much of this because a little bit of this goes a very, very long way. So then I'm just going to use my fingers to blend this. It's a little bit more than I would have liked, but it's alright. We're just going to blend it. I like to make sure all of my edges are blended on it as well. So after that, I'm going to go on to my eyebrows and I'm going to be using Benefit's Give Me Good Brow in number 3. After that, I'm going to do my eyelashes, and I'm going to be using the Marcel Extension Plus Curl Mascara, and I'm going to use that on my tops and my bottom lashes. If you get any on your skin, you can always use a Q-tip to get it off. So next up, last but not least, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to use the NYX Whip Fouette in Pink Cloud. And I think I've mentioned this before, this smells absolutely amazing. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys!